మంత్రి కేటీఆర్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Unprecedented COVID period. Since its launch, the park has received an overwhelming response, with about 50 companies setting up their manufacturing and R&D units with an overall investment of rupees 1,424 crores and a total employment potential of 7,000 direct jobs and at least twofold that indirect. I congratulate all the 7 companies on this occasion who have inaugurated their facilities. My compliments to all of you entrepreneurs. Medical devices and diagnostics are indispensable tools for quality healthcare delivery. Government of Telangana recognizes medical devices and diagnostics sector as a high potential, high growth sector which presents unlimited opportunities. We are committed to promoting research, development, innovation and manufacturing in this segment. Medical Devices Park is indeed a very important initiative of the Government of Telangana, which underscores not only our intent to leverage the promising potential of the industry for the state, but also to reduce dependency on country's imports. This park also reinforces the government's commitment to strengthen the state's manufacturing capabilities, which, going forward, will help attract even greater investments in a broad range of medical device product segments, ranging from capital equipment, implantable devices, diagnostics, and consumables. We aim to make this park as not just a global factory for the world, but a global medtech innovation ecosystem. The red-hot life sciences industry has seen an incredible growth in the last 2 years as a response to the pandemic crisis, as the biomedical and diagnostics revolution has gained traction world over. Key discoveries ranging from the development of engineered modified RNA technology, which enabled rapid development of effective COVID-19 vaccines, to bioprosthetic implants, to at-home genetic testing kits, to cardiac diagnostic tools, to handheld ultrasound devices, to mobile ventilators, to oxygen concentrators, to personal protection equipment, and all other medical supplies have propelled growth and investment in this sector. India is among those countries recently named as likely to have the strongest gains in developing next generation life-saving products and rapid diagnostics manufacturing to meet urgent healthcare needs of the world in the coming years. During this period of tremendous growth in both the Indian economy and its healthcare sector, coupled with availability of skilled human resource and low operation costs, it is critical time to capitalize on the opportunities in the medical devices sector available within India and particularly the MedTech Park of Hyderabad. The comprehensive and vibrant multidisciplinary ecosystem of Hyderabad clearly differentiates the city from the rest of the country. While there are more than 20 innovation centers in Hyderabad, the government has also established the country's largest prototyping facility called as T-Works to support the development activities and enable the manufacturing activity at the Medical Devices Park. In addition, Hyderabad has numerous companies with expertise in plastics, precision engineering, electronics, etc., all of which are extremely vital for the medical device innovators and manufacturers. As a natural outcome, the city is making rapid strides in redefining healthcare for India. We need to help these companies innovate and develop products that are more advanced, efficient, and most importantly, affordable. We also have to help companies build products that are relevant to our region, thereby helping to reduce imports. It is in this context, our focus is not only helping the medtech industry establish their manufacturing centers, but also supporting innovation and research and development, which will ultimately lead to large-scale manufacturing. And hence, we have adopted an end-to-end approach for promoting growth in this sector with large thrust on promoting design and development of innovative medical devices. I'm also very excited to state today that Hyderabad has become a hotbed for medtech innovation. A few months back, I had the pleasure of inaugurating the largest research and development center outside of the United States of America for a company called Medtronic, which serves as a testimony to Hyderabad's growing prowess for medtech research in India. I'm also happy to note that the center has already started making its impact by making significant contributions to the development and testing for robotic assisted surgery system and also in the development of simplified and remotely deployable solution that can help physicians monitor the vital parameters of their patients no matter where they are in the world, thus ensuring safety and minimizing clinical exposure. This center of Medtronics has also helped in development of a patient-centric MyCare Link heart mobile application for remote patient monitoring, and I'm told that the CareLink Heart today has more than 40,000 active patients, enhanced 24/7 remote monitoring experience. I would also like to take this opportunity to highlight the growing role of startups in the state, especially in the medical technology sector. A range of companies and startups based in Hyderabad are focused on